Now we're going to discuss the business value of Power Pages. Power Pages enables organizations to build secure, data-driven websites that allow external users, such as customers, partners, and vendors, to interact with business data. What is Power Pages? Power Pages is a low-code tool for creating modern business websites. These websites can display data from Microsoft Dataverse, allow users to submit or update information, and integrate with other Power Platform tools. Power Pages is especially valuable when organizations need external facing websites that interact with business data securely. Business value number one, rapid website development. One of the key benefits of Power Pages is speed. Traditional website development often requires web developers, custom code, and long development timelines. With Power Pages, organizations can create professional websites quickly using templates, drag and drop design tools, and pre-built components. This accelerates time to market for business solutions. Business value number two, low-code accessibility. Power Pages uses a low-code approach, making website creation accessible to business users, citizen developers, which are non-technical users, and IT teams. Users can design pages visually while still having the option to extend functionality with code if needed. This balances ease of use with flexibility. Business value number three, secure external access to data. Power Pages allows organizations to securely expose business data to external users. Security features include authentication authorization, role-based access, and integration with identity providers. This ensures external users only see permitted data. Sensitive information remains protected. Exam tip: Power Pages is the Power Platform tool for external facing secure websites. Business value number four, integration with Microsoft Dataverse. Power Pages is tightly integrated with Microsoft Dataverse, which acts as the data backbone. This allows organizations to store structured business data centrally, reuse the same data across Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI, maintain a single source of truth. Changes made through Power Pages are immediately reflected across the Power Platform. Business value number five, improve customer and partner engagement. Power Pages enhances engagement by allowing external users to submit forms, track requests, update information, access personalized content. Some examples include customer self-service portals, partner onboarding sites, vendor registration portals. This improves user experience while reducing internal workload. Business value number six, reduce development and maintenance cost. By using a low-code platform, Power Pages reduces development cost, ongoing maintenance effort, and dependency on specialized web developers. Organizations get enterprise-grade websites with lower total cost of ownership. Business value number seven, seamless integration with Power Platform. Power Pages work seamlessly with other Power Platform services. Power Apps for internal business apps, Power Automate for workflows and approvals, and Power BI for embedded analytics. This allows businesses to build end-to-end digital solutions that span internal and external users. How Power Pages support digital transformation. Power Pages support digital transformation by extending business processes beyond the organization, connecting customers and partners directly to business systems, and enabling faster innovation with secure, scalable websites. It helps organizations modernize how they interact with the outside world. Some key takeaways for Power Pages include: Power Pages is used to build external facing business websites. It is a low-code website development platform. It provides secure access to Dataverse data. It supports customer and partner engagement, and it integrates seamlessly with the Power Platform. If the exam asks how to build a secure external website, think Power Pages. When we talk about connectors in the Power Platform, we are really talking about how Power Platform communicates with other systems. On the PL-900 exam, Microsoft is not asking you to configure connectors or understand APIs. They want you to understand why connectors are valuable to a business and when an organization benefits from using them. What are connectors? A connector is a pre-built integration that allows Power Platform tools like Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI to connect to external services and data sources. Instead of building custom integrations, organizations can use connectors to easily connect to Microsoft services such as Microsoft 365, SharePoint, and Dynamics 365. Third-party services such as Salesforce, Dropbox, or Twitter, or premise data sources. From a business perspective, connectors remove complexity and save time. Core business value number one, faster integration. One of the biggest values of connectors is speed. Without connectors, integrating systems usually requires custom development, specialized skills, and long timelines. With connectors, integration is largely out of the box. For PL-900, remember this phrase: connectors allow organizations to integrate systems quickly without custom code. Core business value number two, reduce development cost. Connectors also help reduce cost. Because connectors are pre-built and maintained by Microsoft or trusted partners, organizations do not need to spend time and money creating and maintaining custom integration. On the exam, if a scenario mentions reducing development effort, lowering integration costs, and avoiding custom code, connectors are a key part of the Power Platform value. Core business value number three, enables end-to-end business solutions. Connectors allow Power Platform to act as a bridge between systems. For example, a Power App can retrieve data from SharePoint. A Power Automate flow can update records in Dynamics 365. A Power BI report can visualize data from multiple sources. This allows organizations to build end-to-end solutions that span multiple systems, all within the Power Platform. Core business value number four, broad ecosystem support. Power Platform includes hundreds of connectors covering Microsoft services, popular third-party tools, and custom systems. This broad ecosystem means organizations are not locked into a single system. Instead, they can reuse existing tools, connect legacy systems, and modernize processes incrementally. For the PL-900, this highlights flexibility and scalability. Core business value number five, consistent and secure access to data. Connectors also support secure and consistent data access. They work with Microsoft's security model, including authentication, permissions, and data loss prevention policies. This allows organizations to integrate data without sacrificing security or governance. On the exam, remember, connectors enable integration while maintaining enterprise-grade security. Common PL-900 exam scenarios involving connectors. When you see PL-900 questions that mention connecting multiple systems, pulling data from external sources, and automating actions across different platforms, you should immediately think about connectors as the enabler. When Microsoft talks about Dataverse in the PL-900 exam, they are not testing your ability to design databases or write queries. They are testing whether you understand why organizations use Dataverse and what business problem it solves. Dataverse is the data foundation of the Microsoft Power Platform. It is a secure cloud-based data storage that allows organizations to store, manage, and share business data and Power Platform services. From a business perspective, Dataverse provides a centralized and structured way to manage data that can be used by Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Pages. For PL-900, think of Dataverse as a single source of truth for business data. Core value, core business value number one, centralized data management. One of the biggest values of Dataverse is centralization. Instead of data being scattered across spreadsheets, emails, or disconnected systems, Dataverse stores data in a single, consistent location. This helps organizations reduce duplicate data, improve data accuracy, and ensure everyone is working from the same information. On the exam, centralized data usually points to Dataverse. Core business value number 2, built-in security and governance. Dataverse includes enterprise-grade security by default. This includes role-based access control, row-level and column-level security, integration with Microsoft identity and compliance tools. The business value here is that organizations can scale solutions safely without building custom security models. For PL-900, remember, Dataverse allows organizations to secure data while empowering users. Core business value number 3, consistent data structure. Dataverse uses a standardized data model, meaning data is stored in a consistent, structured way. This makes it easier to build applications quickly, create reliable automations, and analyze data across systems. On the exam, if consistency and structure are important, Dataverse is often the best answer. Core business value number 4, seamless integration across Power Platform. Dataverse is deeply integrated with the Power Platform. This means Power Apps can create and update data, Power Automate can trigger workflows based on data changes, Power BI can analyze Dataverse data, and Power Pages can securely expose data to external users. This tight integration enables end-to-end business solutions without complex data movement. Core business value number 5, reduced development effort. Because Dataverse handles data storage, relationships, and security, developers and business users don't need to build these features from scratch. This reduces development time, maintenance effort, and risk of errors. For PL-900, Dataverse represents efficiency and reliability. Core business value number 6, scalability and reliability. Dataverse is designed to scale with the organization. As data grows or solutions expand, Dataverse can handle increased usage without major redesigns. This makes it suitable for both small teams and large enterprises. On the exam, scalability is another strong signal for Dataverse. PowerFX is the low-code formula language used in Power Platform, especially in Power Apps. It is designed to look and behave like Excel formulas, which makes it familiar to many business users. From a business perspective, PowerFX allows organizations to add logic to applications quick and easily without requiring traditional programming skills. Core business value number 1, low code simplicity. One of the biggest values of PowerFX is simplicity. Because PowerFX uses an Excel-like syntax, many users can understand and use it with minimal training. This lowers the barrier to entry and allows more people to participate in solution building. For PL-900, remember, PowerFX supports low-code development by making app logic easy to understand and maintain. Core business value number 2, faster app development. PowerFX helps organizations build applications faster. Instead of writing complex code, developers and business users can use simple formulas to validate data, control app behavior, and apply business rules. This speeds up development and allows solutions to be delivered more quickly to the business. Core business value number 3, empowering citizen developers. PowerFX plays an important role in empowering citizen developers. Citizen developers may not know traditional programming languages, but many are already familiar with Excel. PowerFX allows them to create meaningful app logic without becoming professional developers. On the exam, PowerFX often supports the idea of empowerment, accessibility, and reduced reliance on IT. Core business value number 4, consistency and maintainability. Another key business value of PowerFX is consistency. Because it uses a standardized formula language across Power Platform, applications are easier to read, easier to maintain, and easier for teams to collaborate on. This reduces long-term maintenance costs and improves solution reliability. Core business value number 5, reduce development cost. By enabling low-code logic instead of custom code, PowerFX helps reduce development cost. Organizations do not need to rely heavily on specialized developers for every change or update. This makes Power Platform solutions more cost-effective over time. When the PL-900 questions mention app logic, formulas, Excel-like expressions, or low-code logic inside Power Apps, you should think PowerFX. When Microsoft includes copilots and generative AI in the PL-900 exam, they are not testing your ability to build AI models or write prompts. They are testing whether you understand how AI adds business value to the Power Platform and why organizations benefit from using it. What are copilots and generative AI? Co-pilots and generative AI features in the Power Platform allow users to build, automate, and analyze solutions using natural language. Instead of starting from a blank screen, users can describe what they want to do in plain English, and the platform helps generate apps, flows, data insights, or chatbot experiences. From a business perspective, this makes solution creation faster, easier, and more accessible. Core business number 1 Business value number 1, faster solution creation. One of the biggest values of copilots is speed. Copilots help users create apps more quickly, build workflows faster, and generate insights without complex setup. This reduces the time it takes to go from an idea to a solution. For PL-900, remember, copilots help organizations deliver solutions faster with less effort. Core business value number 2, lower barrier to entry. Co-pilots significantly reduce the learning curve. Users do not need deep technical knowledge or experience with Power Platform tools. By using natural language, even beginners can start building meaningful solutions. This increases adoptions across the organization and supports citizen development. Core business value number 3, increase productivity. Generative AI features increase productivity by automating repetitive setup tasks, assisting with logic and design, and helping users find the right tools or actions. This allows employees to focus on business outcomes instead of technical details. Core business value number 4, empowering citizen developers. Copilots strongly support the concept of citizen developers. Business users can create solutions themselves with AI assistance, reducing dependency on IT while still operating within Microsoft's security and governance framework. On the exam, co-pilots often represent empowerment, accessibility, and innovation. Core business value number 5, consistency and quality. Co-pilots also help improve consistency and quality. By providing guided suggestions and best practice patterns, AI reduces errors and helps ensure solutions follow recommended approaches. This leads to more reliability and maintainable. Okay, start over. Core business value number 5, consistency and quality. Co-pilots also help improve consistency and quality by providing guided suggestions and best practice patterns. AI reduces errors and helps ensure solutions follow recommended approaches. This leads to more reliable and maintainable solutions across the organization. Core business value number 6, integration across Power Platform. Copilots are integrated across multiple Power Platform services, including Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Copilot Studio. This allows users to experience AI assistance consistently across tools, supporting end-to-end business solutions. Common PL-900 exam scenarios involving copilots. When you see PL-900 questions that mention natural language input, AI assistance, faster development with minimal experience, and building solutions without starting from scratch, you should think copilots and generative AI features. Some common mistakes to avoid on the exam is assuming copilots replace users or eliminate the need for understanding. Co-pilots assist users, they do not replace human decision making. The business value is about support and acceleration, not automation of all work. Now that we've looked at each Power Platform service individually, let's bring everything together and talk about how the Power Platform services work together as one solution. Let's put this together with a simple example. A customer submits a request on a Power Pages website. The data is stored securely in Dataverse. A Power Automate flow sends an approval request. Employees use Power Apps to process the request. Managers view performance data in Power BI, and Copilot help users build, analyze, and improve the solution faster. This is a complete end-to-end business solution. For the PL-900 exam, remember, Dataverse is the shared data layer. Power Apps builds apps. Power Automate automates workflows. Power BI provides analytics. Power Pages builds external websites. And Copilot adds AI and productivity. Microsoft Power Platform is about working together, not isolated tools. We will discuss briefly the business value of Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is used to enhance customer and employee support. This is where you would create your and tailor your AI agents, your chatbots, to a particular application or business system. In the studio, you're able to create your own AI models and also perform some training on the models. So this really extends beyond the Copilot experience, and you're able to cater to your audience or your users in a specific way. We'll talk about this later on in the modules in the later sessions. Just want to go over the business value of what the Copilot Studio does. So think about that being as your playground area to go ahead and customize some tailored AI agents for your business. This concludes our lesson one for describing the business value of the Microsoft Power Platform. And on this slide, we're going to touch base on some keywords. So anytime we think about apps, we're going to think about the Power Apps within Microsoft Power Platform. Automation, we're going to think about Power Automate, websites, Power Pages. And anytime we talk about data, we're going to talk about the core database platform, which is Dataverse. Artificial intelligence falls under the Copilot and Copilot Studio component. This concludes lesson one of the Microsoft PL-900, describing the business value of Microsoft Power Platform. In the next lesson, we will cover managing the Microsoft Power Platform environment. Please remember to continue to study the modules and also the business use cases. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Tech Elevate for more videos like this. For any questions or comments, please reply in our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.